Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the color of a logo in Canva. So let's get started. At first open Canva and go to create a design. And put your dimension here. Now here, let's add a logo. Now simply drag the logo here. And go to the edit photo, and here what we can do is we need to look for a specific effect, so we will go ahead and go through these effects. Choose Duotone. Now once you are here, you can choose any color and also you can change the highlights to white. We can go to shadows and now we can choose any specific color we want. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.